Today's finally the day, and oh my god! I'm just so excited. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silsila, and guys, today's the day. I'm going to be finally reacting to the new BTS Fake Love video. So excited! I've been waiting for this for so long. Today's the day. Finally gonna watch it! And just to let you guys know, if you do notice a little change in lip color, I just felt like the previous lip color just did not suit my skin tone. I just went ahead and changed it, so don't mind that with the editing. I've had work every single day, and I've been meaning to film this reaction video like the day it came out, but literally every day something happened and I didn't get a chance to be able to film this video for you guys. So I'm just so excited. Finally the day has come that I'm gonna be able to film it, and I'm gonna finally be able to watch the video, and I'm ready to see my babies. Okay, calm down a little bit. So I also ordered the Love Yourself tier album from Amazon. When you order from Amazon, you don't know which album you're gonna get. It's just a random album that they're gonna send you. I believe it also does not come with the free gift, but I'm gonna find out. From the looks of this package, it doesn't seem like it comes with a free gift, but we'll find out. To my knowledge, it's also supposed to come with a little pop-up stand of the boys, so stay tuned to the end of this video where I'm going to be doing a little mini unboxing of this. Okay, let's just get into it. And my laptop. Oh my god. Okay, ready. Full screen, ready to go. Okay. I love that sound. Oh my god, my heart's pounding. Oh, the harnesses. Jungkook. Oh, Taeyeon, Jin. Their outfits. Oh my god. RM. I'm just calling out their names. I'm just. Oh. Hey. Yes. Let's go, homie. Yes. Damn, Homie's hair. Jimin's hair. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jin, my baby. Oh my god. Yes. Oh. Okay. B. Oh my god. Oh. Don't fall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Their moves. Wow. What's happening to the audio? Turn it up a little. I love his hair so much. Oh my god, he looks so good. Yeah. They're the Snickers. Oh my god, the Snickers. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so happy Jin gets all these lines. What's happening? So he's digging for the... Okay. I'm shaking right now. I'm actually shaking. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. The lights. Oh, it's the scene from the teaser. Is there more? That's it? Oh my god. Okay. I want more. I need to know who's under the mask. I was grabbing my chest for dear life throughout that whole video. That was amazing. I have to watch it again. You know I'm gonna be streaming this constantly. I think I've already listened to the album maybe a good 10-15 times through. I'm sure there's Army who's listened to it even more than I have. I'm acting like, whoa, 10-15 times. But, wow. That was better than I could ever imagine, honestly. I don't know what to do now. I'm just here. I watched the video. It blew my mind. I have to watch it again. I will watch it again. I just don't want this video to be too long. That's the only thing. I'm thinking maybe I should have done this unboxing in the beginning because now my heart is just all over the place. That was so good. That was so good. You know, I'm gonna have to watch this video about at least 7 times in a row now. Just to, you know, keep my eye on each one of them. See their moves, see their outfits in detail, their hair, their eyes, their smiles, their moves. Just probably already mentioned moves. I can't even... Good is just... No. Amazing. You know that little clip of Lady Gaga? Let me insert that right here.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference.
Yes. That's exactly what it was. Yes. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. That's all I can say. A masterpiece. That's what it is. A masterpiece. This was a masterpiece. It left me speechless. I was shook, moving my hands around. I almost cried. Maybe you didn't see the tears coming, but I did. It's just so good, guys. Okay, so let's get to our unboxing now. I'm so excited to see what version I got. Okay. Let's see here. Ooh. Hey. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful. It looks exactly like the last album, Love Yourself Her, except it's dark. Oh, I got the U version. I'm excited. Okay, let's open this. Don't wanna... Just too scared to use scissors because there's been instances where I've cut through clothing or other things while I've tried opening packages with scissors, so I don't want that to happen here. So we're gonna have to use some manpower, some woman power. Okay, got it. Yeah, that's all it pretty much came with. Just this. No receipt or anything. Okay. Carefully opening. Oh. Oh! Okay, hold on. Hold on here. Okay. So that's like that. Okay, this is the album. Really beautiful. Oh, it's a little bit silvery here. So the design, the flower design, I was expecting it to be holographic, but it's actually silver. Oh, wait. Okay. Problem number one. This, I hope you guys can see here, but a little bit bent up. I'm not mad about it, it's okay, but I like to have things in pristine condition, but not a big deal, it's okay. So that was the album. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm really curious as to what this is. Is this the poster? Is this my free gift? Let me see. So it says love yourself. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, it's so cute! This is the version I wanted! Oh, yes! 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 For a second I forgot which version I wanted. I was just like, okay, I'm ordering the album. I looked through all the concepts. I love them all. They're all beautiful. But, okay, low-key, you know, kind of hoping I would get this one. And I did! Oh my god! Let me see here. Let me look at this. Let me look at this. Wow. They look stunning. It's not the most clearest picture, but I feel like that's part of the effect. It's a little bit, you know, grainy, but the Love Yourself sign is quite clear. It's part of the effect. It's part of the effect. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy. Okay, what's next? Oh! Oh! Oh my god! It comes with the stand! So I think every album does come with it then. Now I've confirmed. I've confirmed. If somebody wants to let me know in the comments if they did pre-order with the special gift, maybe from a different website or maybe even from a different seller on Amazon, please let me know what you got. Did you get exactly what I got here? Well, so far from what I've been showing you, or did you guys get an extra gift besides this poster that I just showed you guys? I know there's versions of the poster where you can order it folded up or rolled up, so the rolled up version is obviously a little bit more expensive. But yeah, please let me know in the comments what you guys got if you did choose to pre-order the album. So this is so cute! So cute! I can't do it as cute as they can. Oh my god, Jin is so cute, his face! My angels, they actually look like angels. Okay, and it also comes with the notes, just like the last album. I really wish I could understand this, but definitely I'll be looking up a translation online. Okay, we're gonna be opening up the book. Oh my gosh! So we have hands. I'm not gonna go through everything here, but I'll show you guys a couple of them. Beautiful. Really similar from the poster. I think it may be the same picture. I love these photos. Okay, so we have here in the middle of the book, I think. Oh, it's just Big Hit's email, website. I guess, oh, it's a little audition card. So I guess some information if you wanted to audition. I took a Ty's pictures. Damn. That's all I have to say. Please jump up. Here's my cookie! Okay, let me just open up the middle of the book because that's where we have our photo card and I want to see who I got. Ready? Oh! I got Jin! I got Jin! Yes! angel baby. And we also have a card that says Big Hit Membership Survey. So I guess if you have one of those QR scanning apps, you can scan it to do a survey. I don't know. I have to look into this. I think that's pretty much it, guys. Of course, towards the end of the photo book, we have the lyrics. And honestly, I would say this album is my favorite album to date. My favorite song off the album, they're all amazing. Don't get me wrong on this. I don't know, I've been listening a lot to Airplane Part 2. I love Paradise. Fake Love, of course. Singularity. My baby's on that track. Okay, they're all my babies, but my baby's on that track. And that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions of videos that you would like to see, please feel free to leave any comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, my loves.